In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install NordVPN in Windows. So let's get started. So if you ask me, is NordVPN available for free? No, it is not. It is a paid service. So as you can see here, they offer only a 3-day free trial, that too for Android users. So in case if you're planning it for like a desktop, it is not a free to use VPN, you need to pay for it. Alright, so let's get started with the download. So first thing, just Google NordVPN. We'll be having the nordvpn.com. Click it, and to the rightmost top we'll be having the Get NordVPN option. Select this. So it will redirect you to the pricing page, and here this is the price for 2-year plan. So we have 2-year plan, 1-year plan and a monthly plan. So first let's start with a 1-month plan. So we are having basic, plus and complete. You can basically like see through the differences what you have. So this is for 1 month. So in case if you just want to try it out, you can first get this 1-month plan and later go for a 1-year or 2-year plan. So if I go for a 1-year plan, we are saving 61%. So it says over here, right? And in 2-year plan we are almost saving 70%. So that's up to you how you are going to like get the plan. So once you have chose the plan, just click on the get button over here, and here we need to create a Nord account. So just enter your email ID, and here you need to select the payment method. You need to put your card. You have in Google Pay, PayPal, and it even gets crypto. So just pay and get your NordVPN done. Okay, so after you log in or create a NordVPN account, just go to this particular link. Okay, my.nordaccount.com/dashboard. So here to the left we will be having NordVPN. Select this, and here we are having for desktop, mobile and extension. So we are going for desktop. So it's for Windows here. Just select this, and the setup file will be getting downloaded. Nord installer, open it. So we'll be getting this welcome screen. Just click on next, and the agreement, click on accept. So these are the things that is going to get installed. One is the desktop app, which is the NordVPN for Windows, and next is the browser extension, and next is another browser extension for password manager. So this is free. So in case if you want the browser extension, you can just check it, and this also. In my case, I don't want these both, I just want the desktop app. Okay, so I will just click on install now. So this will take some time, just be patient. So we will be getting, it requires .NET 8. Just click on yes for this also. So once everything is done, we will be getting this installed successfully, and also the products that have been installed. So in my case, only desktop app, and after the end, just click on launch NordVPN. So you'll be getting this welcome to NordVPN. Just click on login. So this will ask you to open it in the browser. So just select the browser which you have already logged in. Okay, we are logged in into the desktop app. So it will ask you the reasons what brings you to NordVPN. If you want to answer it, you can answer. Let me just skip it, and you can just click on next, and just go with manual location. Okay, next. And these are the countries that are available. You can just choose the one of your choice. You will be getting this NordVPN interface, and here we'll be having the list of countries that you can choose from. We saw this earlier. So if you want to choose a particular country, let's say I go with United States, I can simply search it over here. Okay, so if I click this will directly connect me with the United States server like this. So as you can see, I have been connected to United States, and this is the city name. So in case if you want to connect to a specific city, click on this 3 dots, and here we are having the city list, so you can choose the city from here. So in case if you want to like disconnect from it, click on this pause and select disconnect, and that's it. You can just close it from here also. It has been disconnected, and click this arrow. We can simply right click and choose exit over here too. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.